Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a younger version of yourself staring back at you. No, it's not fantasy. It's the power of certain oils. Yes, you heard that right. Oils, nature's potent elixirs, hold the secret to ageless beauty. They've been used for centuries, across cultures, revered for their nourishing, healing, and yes, anti-aging properties. But not all oils are created equal. Some are simply more potent, more powerful in their ability to rejuvenate your skin, to bring back that youthful glow. These are the oils that can help take years off your face, that can make you look in the mirror and see not just the you of today, but the you from 10 years ago. So what are these oils? How do they work? And how can you incorporate them into your skincare routine? Are you ready to discover these fountain of youth oils? We all face it. The fine lines, the wrinkles, the age spots. As we age, our skin does too. It's a universal truth, a rite of passage that links us all, from the busy city worker to the tranquil country dweller. The mirror doesn't lie, and the aging process, as natural as it is, can sometimes seem a little unkeen. We're all on a quest, a journey that's as individual as we are, searching for that elusive fountain of youth, that magic potion that can turn back the hands of time. We seek to smooth out the wrinkles, brighten the age spots, and restore that youthful glow we remember so fondly. In our pursuit of ageless beauty, we face numerous challenges. Environmental factors like sun exposure and pollution can accelerate skin aging. Our modern lifestyles, filled with stress and often lacking in sleep, leave their marks on our faces. The market is flooded with anti-aging products, each promising to be the next big thing. But often, they're filled with unpronounceable ingredients and compound chemicals, leaving us wondering if the cure is worse than the condition. In our quest for a solution, many of us have turned to the natural world. And why not? Nature has been providing solutions to our problems for millennia. It's in this natural treasure trove that we find oils, precious elixirs extracted from plants and seeds, known for their potent anti-aging benefits. Oils, with their rich nutrient profiles and powerful antioxidants, have been used for centuries in skincare. They can hydrate, nourish, and protect our skin, addressing many of the common issues we face as we age. But with so many oils out there, the question becomes, which ones should we be using? Which ones can truly deliver on their promises and help us combat the signs of aging? But what if there was a natural, effective solution to these skin aging challenges? Enter the world of essential oils, where 5 stand out for their remarkable anti-aging properties. First on our list is the wonder of the skincare world, Rosehip oil. This oil is a skincare superstar, renowned for its high concentration of vitamins A and C. These vitamins work in harmony to stimulate collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten your complexion. With rosehip oil, your skin can achieve that youthful glow without the harshness of chemical treatments. Next up is argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold. This oil, native to Morocco, is rich in antioxidants, omega fatty acids, and vitamin E. These components work together to hydrate, nourish, and protect the skin from environmental damage. Argan oil's healing properties can help repair skin damage and restore elasticity, giving you a firmer, more youthful appearance. Third on our list is jojoba oil, a versatile oil that closely resembles the natural oils produced by your skin. Rich in vitamins E and B, jojoba oil helps to repair and soothe damaged skin. It also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for combating signs of aging like wrinkles and age spots. Our fourth anti-aging hero is pomegranate seed oil. This oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which are crucial in fighting off free radicals that cause premature aging. Pomegranate seed oil is also rich in a unique omega-5 fatty acid called punicic acid, which has strong anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Regular use of this oil can help reduce wrinkles and fine lines, leaving your skin looking fresher and younger. Last, but certainly not least, we have frankincense oil. Known as the king of essential oils, frankincense has been used for thousands of years for its healing properties. This oil is a potent astringent, meaning it helps protect skin cells, reduces acne blemishes, the appearance of large pores and wrinkles. It even helps lift and tighten the skin to naturally slow signs of aging. These 5 oils each have their unique properties and benefits. By incorporating them into your skincare routine, you can harness their anti-aging powers and maintain a youthful, radiant skin. They can be used individually or in combination, and the best part is that they are all natural, free from harmful chemicals that often come with commercial skincare products. And the most effective of them all might just surprise you. The crown jewel of anti-aging oils might just be, drumroll please, Rosehip oil. Yes, you heard it right. This humble yet potent oil is a powerhouse of rejuvenating properties that can make your skin look and feel years younger. Rosehip oil is derived from the seeds of a certain variety of rose, and it has been making waves in the skincare world for its incredible anti-aging benefits. It's packed with vitamins A and C, which are known to help fight against age spots and wrinkles. But that's not all. It also contains essential fatty acids, including omega-6 and omega-3. These ingredients work together to promote healthy skin cell regeneration and reduce signs of aging. Now you may be thinking, sounds great, but does it really work? Well, let's hear from someone who's experienced the magic of rosehip oil firsthand. Meet Linda, a 55-year-old woman who incorporated rosehip oil into her skincare routine 6 months ago. Linda shared, "I was skeptical at first. I mean, how could an oil make such a difference? But I decided to give it a try, and I'm so glad I did. My skin feels smoother, firmer, and more radiant. And the best part? I've noticed a significant reduction in the appearance of my wrinkles and fine lines. It's like I've turned back the clock on my skin." Imagine that. Linda's experience is just one of countless testimonials singing the praises of rosehip oil. People all over the world are discovering the rejuvenating effects of this natural wonder. With results like these, it's clear why incorporating these oils into your skincare routine is a game changer. So, why not give it a try? Your skin could be the next to experience the remarkable rejuvenating effects of rosehip oil. Remember, every drop is a step towards a younger, healthier looking you. The ultimate rejuvenator is here, and it's ready to revolutionize your skincare routine. So how do you harness the power of these anti-aging oils? It's simpler than you might think. It's all about incorporating them into your everyday skincare routine. Let's break it down. Firstly, remember that consistency is key. Just as you wouldn't expect to see results from a workout after only one session, the same applies to your skincare. It's a gradual process, but with regular use, these oils can do wonders for your skin. Secondly, it's important to use these oils correctly. Most of them can be applied directly onto the skin. However, some may need to be diluted with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, to prevent any potential irritation. A simple method is to add a few drops of your chosen anti-aging oil into your daily moisturizer or night cream. Thirdly, don't forget about the power of massage. When applying these oils, take a few extra minutes to gently massage them into your skin. This not only enhances absorption, but also boosts circulation, contributing to a healthier, more radiant complexion. The fourth tip is to listen to your skin. Everyone's skin is unique, and what works wonders for one person may not work for another. Start by introducing one oil at a time into your routine. Observe how your skin responds and adjust accordingly. Lastly, remember that skincare is just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and plenty of sleep also play vital roles in maintaining a youthful appearance. In conclusion, these 5 oils, Youthful, Argan, Rosehip, Jojoba, Pomegranate, and Marula, each possess unique anti-aging properties that can help rejuvenate and restore your skin. By incorporating them into your skincare routine, you're not just nourishing your skin, but you're also investing in your overall skin health. With these oils, a younger looking you is just a skincare routine away. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, what's next? It's time to take action. Incorporate these remarkable oils into your skincare regimen. Experience their rejuvenating powers firsthand. Remember, it's not just about looking younger. It's about feeling more confident, radiant, and vibrant. Let these oils be your secret weapon in your journey towards ageless beauty. Share your experiences or favorite oils in the comments below. We can't wait to hear about your journey to ageless beauty.